Hi all, let's see SpanT and ReadOnlySpanT in C#. SpanT and ReadOnlySpanT are memory efficient types introduced in C# 7.2 to avoid unnecessary heap allocations and improve performance. They allow working with slices of memory without copying data. That means it's allow you to work with parts of arrays, strings, memory directly without creating unnecessary copies, making your code faster and more efficient because they just provide a view into an existing data instead of creating a new data. Let's see an example to understand this clearly. First, let's see how to create and use SpanT. Then we will understand the advantages of using SpanT. Let's see an example. Let's take an array for example. The main advantage of using SpanT is it's provide a view over contiguous region of memory without copying data. Let's go back to our console application to see practically to understand this line. Let's create an array. Let's create another array. Let's assign n1 into n2. We know that arrays will store inside heap memory. When this first line executed, inside heap memory, the new memory block created for the variable n1 and store these values. When the second line executed, again inside heap memory, new memory block created for n2 and store the assigned values. Note, heap memory is slower than stack memory because of dynamic allocation, and also memory must be managed explicitly. To know more about heap memory, video link given in description box. Here for example I am showing small data sets, but in real time we need to handle large data sets. In that cases many heap allocations leads to slow performance. To avoid many heap allocations we can use SpanT. For creating SpanT, span inside angle bracket have to provide data type. Here we are going to assign integer array, so have to provide integer. You can also use string, double, float, any data type which you want. Then space variable name equal to n1. Let's comment this. Here what will happen means, when assigning n1 into n2 it creates a new array, but when assigning n1 into span variable it doesn't create a new array or copy data. It's just provide a view into an existing memory. That means it will also point to the same address which n1 pointed. So by using SpanT we can avoid unnecessary heap allocations, and also SpanT makes our code faster and more memory efficient, and the elements within span can be modified. Let's see. Let's go back to our console application. By using the span variable we can modify the original array. Let's see. Span view. Let's change first element 0. Let's change 1 as 10. Let's print original value. n1 of 0. Let's say, let's execute and check. See, the original array modified. So elements within the span can be modified. Next, SpanT also supports working with subsets of an array. Let's see an example. Here we assigned a whole array into the span variable, but now I want to assign only partial values of array. For example, I want to assign the values 2, 3, 4 only. Let's do that. Now we are going to assign only subset of this array. For that, dot we have to use SpanT function. SpanT inside parenthesis we have to mention the position. 2 is residing in the position 1, 0, 1, 1 comma, then till 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 till 3. Now the span variable holds the view of 2, 3, 4 only. Inside span view 2 is residing in the position 0, 3 is residing in the position 1, 4 is residing in the position 2. So let's change 0 to position. Let's change as 25. When we modify this, the original value of array also modified. Now the value of 2 should be modified as 25. Let's print first position. Let's save. Let's execute and check. See, modified successfully. Without using SpanT function, we can get a subsets of an array by using skip and take function. But when using skip and take function, we have to create a new array and assign our subset value into that. But when doing like this, it will increase the memory usage and leads to slow performance. Next, Here we created an array separately and assigned that into the span variable. Instead of doing like this, let's create array directly to the span variable. Let's comment this. See, it's showing an error because we cannot create array directly to span variable. Let's see the reason and how to overcome this. We cannot create an array directly to span variable because it doesn't have own memory. It's only provide a view over existing memory. But if we want to create an array directly into SpanT without an existing array, by using stack alloc, we can achieve that. Let's see how to create and how it's work. Let's create an array using SpanT. For that, after equal to, we have to use stack alloc keyword. This keyword allocates memory on the stack, not on the heap. Basically, SpanT does not have own memory, so that by using stack alloc keyword, we are creating temporary memory on the stack. Then this is an integer array, so that int, then square bracket, then after our array values. We can also modify the array. Let's change 0 as 25, so this one is replaced as 25. Let's print that. Span view. Let's comment this. Let's execute and check. Let's change as 0. The value of span view of 1 is 2. We modified 0th position. Let's rerun and check. See? Suppose if you are handling temporary data, instead of creating an array, by using SpanT and stack alloc keyword, we can create an array. It will faster than normal array. And also have to note, we cannot return SpanT variables in a function like this. When we create an array using SpanT and stack alloc keyword, the value of this SpanT will store on the stack. Stack is a temporary memory. When the method ends, stack memory will clear, so that we cannot return that variables. Next, ReadOnlySpanT. Let's remove this. ReadOnlySpanT is similar to span only. Everything is similar to span only, except it does not allow us to modify. Let's see. Let's change this span as ReadOnlySpanT. See, it's showing an error when we modify. Let's comment this. You can use this ReadOnlySpanT when you need read-only access to memory only. By using ReadOnlySpanT, we can avoid modifications. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.